If you're seeing the Facebook error that says try again later, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a few quick and easy fixes you can try right now. This is a common issue, and in many cases it's caused by a temporary browser problem, a weak internet connection, or cached data that needs to be cleared. So before you panic, let's go step by step and get it fixed. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, the simplest fix is to refresh the page. On your keyboard, just press F5, or use the refresh button in your browser. Sometimes Facebook just needs a quick reload, and that alone can clear the error. If the page loads correctly after refreshing, then the issue was probably just temporary. If that doesn't work, the next thing you should check is your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly, or try switching to another network if you can. A weak or unstable connection can easily trigger Facebook to show a try again later message. You can also test another website to see if the problem is only happening on Facebook or if your connection is the issue. Now, if your internet is fine and the error is still there, try clearing your browser cache. Over time, browsers store a lot of temporary files, and sometimes those files can cause login or looting problems on websites like Facebook. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear the cached data. After that, close the browser completely and reopen it, then try Facebook again. Another really useful fix is to try Incognito mode. Open a private or Incognito window in your browser and log into Facebook there. This helps you test whether the issue is caused by extensions, saved cookies, or browser settings. If Facebook works in Incognito mode, that's a strong sign that something in your normal browser profile is causing the error. If the problem continues after all of that, you may want to log out of Facebook completely and sign back in again, or try a different browser or device. Sometimes these small changes are enough to bypass the error and get everything working normally again. So to quickly recap, if Facebook says try again later, first refresh the page with F5, then check your internet connection, clear your browser cache, and try Incognito mode. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the issue. If this helped, please give the video a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.